Hey, what's going on, everyone? Today we're going to do a video stock prediction update for AST Spacemobile. You guys can see that there's already one here on our chart. We did one maybe towards the beginning of May. You guys can see that the market has hit our ultimate TP price on June the 5th, June the 6th, and now we're going to come through and drop another idea as to what we think this market is going to do. So welcome everyone to the channel. Make sure you guys hit that like, share, and subscribe for more information and content. This is what we do here. We're not here to cause any confusion. We're not here to give you pretty much both sides of the market, because sometimes people like to give you both sides of the market just to show forth that they're right. Here we try to lean more towards the side that is winning, whether it's the sellers or the buyers. We can care less. We just want to be on the winning team. All right. So if you guys want to learn more, then make sure you guys continue to keep it locked right here and don't unlock it. Make sure you guys throw away the key when you guys come to this particular channel, because we're definitely trying to give you information and content that so many other people aren't doing. So here it is. Keeping it real. We'll show you all the good ones as well as the bad ones. And this one actually played out in our favor. We predicted that the market in AST was going to go up. It did that. 20.02% was hit, like I told you, on June the 5th. So let's go ahead and get rid of that. We will also get rid of the sell pockets here in the market in AST. And now you guys can tell that these buyers are currently chipping away at these sellers in this pocket. That's the current move in the market for AST. Now zooming out, you guys can see that this particular stock may be trying to make all-time highs. We're knocking on the door right now. So I don't think these sellers are going to do any service on keeping these buyers from making all-time highs. I just don't see it. So what we're going to do is we will also get rid of this sell pocket here for AST, and we're going to start out looking at this market on the monthly chart. So already, this whole time right here, all right, all of these monthly price bars has been an accumulation period, meaning someone, a couple of hedge funds, a couple of banks, a couple of pensions, whoever, used all of these months from August 2024 to now to accumulate this stock. Why would they do that? Because they're suspecting, presuming that in the long term, this stock is going to be worth more than what it is now. Because during these months, the price held firm, meaning it didn't dip, it didn't collapse, it didn't plummet. Somebody was holding this stock, meaning they were buying it. All right, that's a big sign right there. Here is AST Spacemobile on the 5 weeks. What do you guys think about that? Here it is on the 3. Take a look at Spacemobile on the 2. This last 2-weekly price bar, take a look. That's why the market is going up right now. It's because price closed on the high of that 2-weekly price bar. Here it is on the weekly. Look at what happened last week. Fantastic week last week. If you would have caught this on the close or the open of this week, you would already be up right now in the market. You'll be up almost 10%, 11%. If you would have caught the market on the close of that. Here it is on the 5. 9 hours, 2 minutes left, and we are getting a buy signal hitting the market in AST, and the market is bullish. 24.47% up over the last 5 days. Here it is on the 4. Look at the 4-day. So yeah, it looked like this market is definitely being controlled by the buyers still. My concern begins at the high of these two 4-day bars. So just be careful. Here it is on the 3. Here it is on the 2. And on the daily. So I want us to create some buy pockets into the market in AST, because this market has gone just straight up. Look at that. It's a very strong stock right now. Very, very bullish. So yeah, what do you guys think? We need to come down for a little bit before we come in and drop a prediction. Here's a buy pocket right here. And let's do another one. It's pretty good one right here too. Let's see what this one look like. Okay. So now we are going to anticipate this stock continuing to go higher. However, we're going to bring down where we don't want to see these buyers give up control. We want them to continue to hold control of the stock, and we're going to aim for the high that occurred right here. Okay, on the 20th of August 2024, as well as the 21st of August 2024, which is around $39.11. So that will give us maybe 9 3/4 as the first target. Okay, and let's see. We're going to take it to 18.74%. So it's around $42.34. We'll take it up there because as I zoom out, we don't have any historical information of seeing this stock trade at these higher levels. So this is what we consider uncharted territory. Okay, so I'm not going to be able to predict, how high price is going to go because nobody has ever seen the market in AST Spacemobile trade that high. So we don't know how people are going to react. Maybe people will be enthusiastic and begin to sell, or maybe people will begin to hold, just like we saw over the last couple of months of people just accumulating this stock. We just got to wait and see. So you guys can try to figure out where do you think the market is headed in AST Spacemobile once it breaks those all-time high areas. That's not for me, that's for you. So let me know your thoughts. Make sure you maintain profit, and as always, trade different.